Welcome to Ensure Safe Consultancy. Hi, I'm Raj Mohan. I'm going to cover about workplace safety and health control measures, WSHCM. The WSQ Workplace Safety and Health Control Measures, WSHCM, formerly known as BizSafe Level 2, develop a risk management implementation plan is targeted at employees in the management roles who can acquire the knowledge and skills to be a risk management champion for the organization in reducing risks at source by managing the risk management process at workplace, and for recognition of BizSafe Level 2 by the Workplace Safety and Health Council. The program provides the participants with both broad and in-depth expertise and experience to make a strong impact on organizational performance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, share and subscribe to Ensure Safe Consultancy.